It's time to take control of your finances and avoid common money mistakes that could be preventing you from achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll go over some of the most common financial mistakes and give helpful tips to help you achieve your financial goals. So get out your pen and paper and prepare to take notes. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of living beyond your means, especially when you're young and just starting out. To keep up with your friends or to buy things that make you feel good in the moment, you may be tempted to spend more money than you can afford. However, overspending can cause a lot of stress and anxiety, and it can even affect your mental health. Instead, it is important to live below your means in order to avoid rising living expenses. This involves maintaining track of your spending and avoiding unnecessary purchases that you cannot afford. It could mean ignoring your expensive vacation or choosing a less expensive flat over a more luxurious but also more expensive one. Living below your means does not mean depriving yourself of everything. Rather, it means being frugal with your money and prioritizing your needs over your wants. You'll be able to save more money, pay off debt faster, and work towards your financial goals if you do so. Resisting the urge to overspend can be difficult, but with discipline and the right mindset, you can make living within your means a habit. It's never too late to start, and the sooner you start, the more you'll be able to save and invest for your financial future. Remember that financial freedom is achievable, but it requires effort, dedication, and wise decisions. Mistake number 2, trying to keep up with others. It's human nature to compare ourselves to others, and in today's world of social media, it's easier than ever to see what others are doing, where they're traveling, and what they're buying. However, constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to financial problems. You might feel like you're missing out or not living up to expectations, which can lead to overspending and living beyond your means. But the truth is, everyone's financial situation is different. You have your own income, expenses, and priorities. It is important to concentrate on your own financial goals and what is important to you. Try not to keep up with your friends or social media influencers at the expense of your own financial well-being. Instead, pay attention to your spending habits and make decisions that reflect your values and goals. It is important to remember that financial independence is not a one-size-fits-all concept, so what works for someone else might not work for you. You can achieve financial freedom by focusing on your own journey and making intentional financial decisions. Mistake number 3, not having a clear financial goal. A clear financial goal can be helpful for prioritizing your spending and staying on track. Without a clear goal in mind, you may end up spending your money on things that are unimportant or do not contribute to your long-term financial well-being. Setting specific and measurable financial goals provides you with a target to aim for, which can assist you in making better financial decisions. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, you may decide to limit your eating out and expensive vacations. You might also consider doing a side hustle or freelancing to supplement your income. By making these decisions, you'll be able to put more money into your down payment fund and get closer to your goal. If you don't have a clear financial goal, you may end up spending your money on things that give you short-term satisfaction but don't contribute to your long-term financial stability. You may overspend on clothing, electronics, or entertainment without realizing that these purchases are preventing you from achieving more important financial goals. Setting a clear financial goal can also help you stay motivated. When you have a specific goal in mind, you can track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments. Seeing your savings or debt decrease can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated to continue. Mistake number 4, ignoring your debts. Ignoring your debts can be tempting, especially if you're overwhelmed or unsure how to deal with them. But the truth is that ignoring your debts will only make matters worse. Your debts will continue to accrue interest and fees, and you may find yourself in a worse financial situation than when you started. To start dealing with your debts, you must first create a strategy. Make a list of all your debts and interest rates and pay off the debts with the highest interest rates first. This will save you money in the long run because you will pay less interest over time. It's also critical to be honest about how much you can afford to pay each month. Promise not to pay more than you can realistically afford, as this will only cause more stress and possibly missed payments. Instead, make a budget and see where you can cut costs to put more money towards your debt payments. Remember that paying off your debts isn't just about reaching the short-term goal of becoming debt-free. It's also about long-term credit improvement and financial health. You'll be on your way to financial freedom and a brighter financial future if you make a plan and stick to it. Mistake number 5, not investing in yourself. By investing in yourself, you demonstrate a dedication to your personal and professional development, which can pay off handsomely in the long run. Whereas not investing in yourself can keep you from achieving financial freedom because you limit your opportunities for growth and advancement. If you do not constantly improve and expand your skill set, you may find yourself stuck in the same job or position with no opportunities for advancement. This can result in frustration and dissatisfaction, limiting your earning potential. Furthermore, investing in oneself can lead to new opportunities and business ventures. You may discover new passions or niches that you can capitalize on by learning new skills or expanding your knowledge in a specific area. This could lead to new sources of income or even launch your own company. It's important to remember that investing in yourself is an investment in your personal and professional well-being, as well as a financial investment. You will become more confident, resilient, and adaptable as you continue to learn and improve, which are valuable qualities in any industry. So don't deprive yourself of financial freedom by failing to invest in yourself. Spend the time and effort necessary to learn new skills, broaden your knowledge, and develop as a person and professional. Also, are you wondering where all your money is going? Make sure to click on the video you see on your screen to know the money mistakes you could be making, which makes you lose all your money before the end of the month.